Every great journey begins with a single step. And 25 years ago, one such step was taken with courage, conviction, and care. From a small but passionate idea to a global pharmaceutical presence. This is the story of Shreya Life Sciences. A story written not just in years, but in lives touched, healed, and uplifted. The year was 2000. A vision was born to create world-class healthcare solutions that were affordable, accessible, and trusted. What began as a modest initiative has grown into a name synonymous with quality, reliability, and heart. In these 25 years, Shrea has grown beyond boundaries, from India to over 30 countries across Europe, the CIS region, and beyond. Each milestone, each breakthrough, each expansion has been guided by one principle: people first.
Shrea deliver not just good but trust beyond borders. We love Shrea!
With 2 world-class WHO GMP certified manufacturing units, one at Roorkee and another at Aurangabad, an in-house R&D team, and over 600 formulations, Shrea has not just kept pace with the industry, it has helped shape it. From life-saving medicines to everyday wellness, from complex therapeutics to trusted generics, our portfolio speaks to our promise of care that's consistent, science that serves, and innovation that empowers. But what truly sets Shrea apart is its people.
25 years strong, still shining.
We love Shrea!
Over 2,000 dedicated professionals across the globe, each one a torchbearer of our mission, each one committed to putting patients before profits.
Dear colleagues, firstly let me thank Almighty and all of you from bottom of my heart. Namaste. Needless to say, I am being called fortunate and lucky. Yes, I agree, I am lucky. If Lord Ram was fortunate by one Hanuman, one can imagine how much I am fortunate with having so many dedicated team members who are working day and night for growth of company. Today we are successfully completing 25 years. It's because of our tremendous teamwork, dedication and your love towards Shrea. Dear colleague, as you are taking care of day-to-day affair of company, I am able to concentrate on future roadmap. I am glad to inform you that we are working on several different projects including acquisition, merger and going IPO, etc. And you all will be given further higher responsibility, of which I am sure you all will fulfill it much more than I desire. Any amount of praise for you will be short of words. From bottom of my heart, love you all. And believe me, Shrea is great because you all are great. Thank you. Namaste.
Our strength is our people. The Shrea team, from R&D to production, from marketing to sales, has made the impossible possible.
Where the innovation leads and technology heals, we call it Shrea.
Behind every product, every formulation, every innovation are the people who make Shrea what it is today.
We are proud to have reached this milestone of 25 years. What an amazing journey it has been. We are full of energy and passion. Imagine the exciting future ahead of Shrea. This journey is the result of our teamwork under the leadership of our Honorable CMD Sir. And together we will achieve many milestones in the future. Let's celebrate this special moment together.
From research labs to packaging floors, from supply chain desks to field marketing teams, our employees have grown with us side by side over the past 25 years.
A heartfelt congratulations to Sujit sir and the entire team of Shrea on 25th Silver Jubilee of Shrea Day. My association with Sujit Singh is more than 25 years. I met him for the first time when he was just 27 years old, and he had a desire to acquire a company, and that too from Tata's, a Rallis company. He wanted to convert that Rallis in the name of Shreya Life Sciences, which we are today. When I saw this person, I could see lot of determination, confidence. We just finished that meeting. Followed by that, we went at Main Dargah. Before Dargah, the driver stopped the car and he opened the glass, gave one bundle of some currency notes to a person who was giving the food to the poor people. When he was giving, what I noticed was he looked down and then he gave. Followed by that, we went ahead and then he looked up in the sky, thank God. I just asked him, sir, when you were giving him the packet, you were looking down. Any reason? He said, see, I was giving because when I gave him, I never wanted him to feel that I am obliging him or I am doing any favor to the poor people or somebody. So I looked down and followed by that you gave me this opportunity that I can serve these poor people. And what can be a bigger achievement than this when you are doing something for somebody? By that time we reached Siddhivinayak and then I just bowed down my head and I said I need to be associated with this person for much longer. Needless to say, he is the light for all of us. We wish him a good health, lot of prosperity, and I wish best of luck to all of us. Thank you.
Shrea Life Sciences believes that real growth comes from investing in its people. Through consistent skill development programs, performance recognition, leadership training, and health initiatives, we have built more than a workforce. We've built a family.
दोस्तों, कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी. There is something unbreakable in Shreya's top leadership and in our spirit. Despite all odds, Shreya kept moving forward. दोस्तों, ये सफ़र अकेले तय नहीं हुआ. हर एक श्रेया फैमिली मेंबर ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, अपने दिल से कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, चाहे वो आज हमारे साथ है या कहीं और. We are proud to celebrate 25 glorious years. This growth, this success belongs to our charismatic young leader, Chairman Sir, and each one of you. Because in Shreya, we believe in people. हम तो इंसानों को ही इस दुनिया का खुदा मानते हैं. जिन्हें हो सक वो कहें और खुदाओं की तलाश. Let's celebrate this milestone with pride and gratitude. श्रेया के 25 साल जोश, जुनून और जीत.
While our labs and factories are the heart of innovation, it is our sales force that ensures Shreya's lifeblood flows to every corner of the world. From bustling cities to the most remote clinics, our dedicated team of field professionals are on the ground every day, bridging science with society, ensuring our products reach those who need them most.
Hello, I am Sudhir Kumar Singh, General Director of Shrea, Russia. Happy 25 years to Shrea Life Sciences. Wishing the Shrea family more and more than success in the future.
На протяжении 25 лет Shrea Life Sciences показывает стабильные финансовые результаты, что позволяет нам инвестировать в новые исследования и выводить на рынок новые продукты. Иногда, конечно, мы сталкиваемся с трудностями, но всегда выходим из сложной ситуации сильнее, чем прежде. Эта годовщина – доказательство нашей устойчивости и уверенного роста.
Добрый день, меня зовут Никита Шибанов, коммерческий директор компании Shrea Life Sciences Россия. В этот праздничный момент для компании хотел бы от себя добавить пару фраз. Наш коммерческий успех за последние 25 лет стал результатом фокуса на построении долгосрочных отношений с нашими ключевыми клиентами, создание новых продуктов и формирование высокоэффективного отдела продаж. Это годовщина – момент, чтобы отпраздновать наши достижения и наметить новые, еще более амбициозные цели.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Людмила Свердловская, я директор по маркетингу Shrea Life Sciences в России. Хочу сказать, что за последние 25 лет Shrea Life Sciences создала сильный и надежный бренд. Он стал символом качества, инноваций, который заботился о наших пациентах.
Dear colleagues, this one from Shrea Tashkent. Today we are celebrating important milestone, 25 years of our company Shrea. This is not just a number, this is quarter of century to growth, development and dedication to the cause that all we truly love. Over these years, we have gone from an ambitious startup to a confident leader in pharmaceutical industry. So, wishing every Shreaites an amazing Shrea Day and of course, super duper silver jubilee. Celebrating incredible 25 years of our company, I would like to thank our founders, leaders, board of directors and especially my hero CMD Sujit Bhaiya for making it possible. I am 100% sure with leaders, directors and team like we have, every individual can achieve outstanding professional success, even more than what we deserve. Congratulations to all of us, and the most important, today you all have an extremely enjoying, wonderful and whole life memorable evening there. Cheers for all of us. Thank you.
We love Shrea!
Over the years, this team has not just delivered numbers, they've built trust, awareness, and impact.
Happy Shrea Day!
Dear friends, today we are celebrating 25 years of Shrea, which is a significant milestone in the journey of the company. The journey for this 25 years has its shares of ups and downs, but I can proudly say as on today, economically we have never been this strong. I hope we continue our journey in future. I wish to thank the chairman, all my colleagues, mentors, friends, customers, partners who have been part of this journey, and may the Almighty continue to bless us all. Thank you.
Shrea, where life is health.
Supported by robust training modules, digital enablement, and a culture of recognition, they are the reason Shreya's name is not just known but respected across regions and languages.
Hi everyone, and I am proud feeling to work in Shrea. Shrea, definitely is a very result and people-oriented company. I wish that everyone should join this organization very well. And we are wishing you happy Shrea Silver Jubilee.
Shrea Life Sciences, where the quality is not only culture,
it is our DNA.
Shrea, your partner in health.
Today, many of our department heads and team leads are individuals who began their journey with Shrea decades ago. Their evolution reflects our values: dedication, opportunity, and mutual growth.
It is a milestone achievement for any organization. Shrea Life Sciences is a dream baby of our chairman. He had gone to Russia for pursuing his education. Because of his entrepreneurial skill, he has entered into and floated the company Shrea Life Sciences. Overnight, it has become the third largest pharma distributor at Russia, representing most of the Indian pharma companies. For any success of any organization, three parameters are required, that is vision, mission, accomplishment of achieving vision and mission. Our company has done this under the leadership of our chairman. Apart from our domestic presence, we are also into exports. We have excellent presence in Russia and we are exporting product mix. Last year we have done excellent performance with respect to Penjitol, competing with Festal, which is the brand leader, and Omeprazole capsule, competing with Omex. Last year we have launched Orthodoxin capsule and performed very well, competing with products of Abbott. I feel more at home. I wish our chairman as well as entire team of Shrea on this occasion of Silver Jubilee. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, all the best.
Together we can, and we will make a difference at Shrea.
In the next 5 years, we aim to deepen our footprint across India, strengthen therapy verticals, and launch new branded generics with a focus on affordability and innovation. In the next 10 years, we envision a truly global identity with newer markets, advanced biotech collaborations, and digital health integration.
Hello everyone. Today we are here to celebrate 25 glorious years of Shrea. From humble and modest beginning to what we are today is the testament of the dedication and hard work of our visionary leader Shri Sujit sir and all Shrea team members. I wish that we continue with the same hard work and passion and make Shrea more successful. Happy Silver Jubilee.
Shrea, a family away from family.
Over the years, our journey has not just been about business. It's been about building better lives. Through education, health camps, and social initiatives, we've reached out, given back, and made a difference where it's needed most, recognized and respected.
Shrea is not about the 25-year celebration, it's a journey of celebration. We have moved from last 25 years, many things. We have progressed like in factory as well as office and in field. We have introduced so many new products in the market and we were very well accepted in the front of the doctors and very well accepted in the market. We have benefited for showing our concern for all the team members, and in the office also we have got very much cooperated from our marketing team, from all office staff. Best wishes to all the Shrea people. I wish everyone for the celebrating Shrea 25 years.
Shreya's name now stands tall in the pharmaceutical world, not just for its products, but for its integrity, its ethics, and its heart.
It's a proud moment to stand here. We're celebrating 25th incredible year of company policy. Shrea organization is not just a workplace, it is our second home. It continues to grow, lead, and make a difference in people's life. We are happy to celebrate these incredible 25 years and many more to go.
Legacy of 25 years.
Stronger, smarter, efficient. Shrea.
25 years, a quarter century of trust. A journey powered by purpose, by people, and by passion. To every partner, every doctor, every patient, and every Shrea team member, this milestone belongs to you.
It's a proud moment for all of us. Over the years, a strong presence in both domestic and international markets, which build a strong regulatory presence by delivering high quality, innovative, and safe and effective products. Congratulations for achieving incredible 25 years.
As we celebrate the past, we also embrace the future with renewed energy, deeper purpose, and a heart full of hope.
Great and amazing feeling that we are completing 25 years. Many of employees have completed 10 years and still we are working together. We at Shrea Life Sciences focusing on product quality and deliver good, innovative and effective products. Today we are at 25 years and many more years to go. Thank you.
बेमिसाल 25 साल.
Priority of the Shrea Life Sciences is to achieve the quality in the products, and we are recognized by the quality only. Wish all the best to the Shrea family to achieve the milestone again.
Here's to the next 25 years of innovation, of inspiration, of healing lives with heart. Shrea Life Sciences, 25 years of trust, forever committed to care.